Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to log into your Denver sales tax account. For this guys, what you need to do is open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in Denver sales tax login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link denvergov.org. Just click on that first link. Now you will be taken to the new interface. Now at the top right of your screen you can see the login button. Just click on that login button. Again you will be taken to the new interface, which is the sign in page of the Denver sales tax account. Now simply you need to enter your email address over here. Similarly, enter your password over here. Click on keep me sign in for further use. But I suggest you guys do not try it in public computer. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgot your password. Then you'll be easily recover your password. And once you click on sign in button, you'll be easily access your account. Either you can log in with your Facebook account or your Google account. This much for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And remember to turn on the notifications so you never miss the uploads. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.